Hello, welcome to Pedal Savings. If you are new here, my name is Rosie. I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope system to budget her finances. So today is the 4th. And we will be cash planning $266 today. So I like to focus on like certain envelopes before like doing the rest of the envelopes. So 2025 savings, I am going to add 5, so 266 minus 5. And then let me go in. Oh, yes. So gas will always get 25 no matter what. Buffer will get 10. Wedding, let's do, let me see. This is like one of my high paychecks because I worked a lot last week. So I think we could put in more this week. So 47. And then, apartment. Apartment, I think we could put its usual amount as of 58. And then Derek and emergency will get 5. Meds always gets 7. Okay, so let's do 60 for groceries. Eating out, we'll come to that later. So, Lucky Leprechaun is my new savings challenge for March. So let's see. Let's just do a $2 one for now, and we could see if we have any leftover money for it. Okay, gold coins, it's going to be a $2 minus 4, which leaves us $40 to play with. Let's do let's do $2 for each one of these categories. Because these are my low priorities sinking funds, and I don't really need to put money into them. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, beauty, toiletries, wardrobe. Let's see. Oh, not that binder. This one. Guess they all could get like $2 this week. Oh, minus 6, 16. And I like to make spending and eating out like the same amount. So let's do $8 for each one. 16 equals 0. So let's tally up and see how much money we need to pull out from the bank. 1, 2, 3, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 47, 58, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 0. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 160. $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 50. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 32, 33, 34, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Don't think I did that right. 160 plus 1, 10 plus 50 plus, I did. Okay. Feel like I did something wrong. You know what it was? I think I meant to do 264 instead of 266. Oh gosh. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Well, I mean, I think this is right. Yeah, it is right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys next time in my cash stuffing once I go to the bank. Bye.